Okay, we're going. Today we're going to talk about positive and negative slope. This is a presentation by Bill, Jeff, and Dean. On this graph, what you'll notice is that we have two different lines, and each one represents a either positive or negative slope. When you look at a graph and you see the slope of the line going from the bottom right to the top left, that is a negative slope. When you look at the line going from the bottom left to the top right, that represents a positive slope in a line. So we're going to look at some ordered pairs here to figure the slope of a line. You notice we have two ordered pairs. We're going to put those into a graph. We're going to actually subtract the y coordinates from the x coordinates, and you notice as we do that we end up with a 1 over 1, which is represented by this line on this graph, and you see that that is a positive slope. Next ordered pair numbers we're going to do is a 3, 2, and a 5, 1. And again, if we take and put it into that same equation, you notice that we subtract those ordered pairs and we end up with a negative 1 over 2, which represents a negative line. So the line goes from bottom right to top left. Now we're going to take those the same principles we just learned, we're going to apply them to another set of ordered pairs, and we're going to actually figure what those ordered pairs represent, either a positive or negative line. So notice that we have our formula in here already. We have we're going to take and subtract the y coordinates from the x coordinates, and as we do that, you notice we're going to end up with a negative 1 over negative 7. And so we're going to plot those two different ordered pairs on this graph, and what we're going to end up with is a 4 over 6 as our first point, and a negative 3 and 5. And you notice that even though that's almost horizontal, that does represent a negative slope. Thank you for watching our presentation.
Shut it off.